Stop.
Imagine this. You buy an expensive gym card on January 1st. You feel amazing. You go exactly twice. Now it is December. Your expensive card is gathering dust. You want to quit learning English too. You feel very guilty and sad. Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster. I have 3 unused gym cards right now. They are sitting in my wallet. They make me feel very guilty every day.
We all have those moments. Starting a new habit is incredibly hard for everyone.
Absolutely. I always start with huge goals. Then I give up after 3 days.
Today is our season finale. We will celebrate your amazing hard work this season.
Yes, we made it to the finale. I am so proud of our listeners.
Today, we will learn 3 magic phrases for staying motivated. Phrase 1, give it a try.
Give it a try. So, I just attempt to do something new, right?
Exactly. It is the first step to success. Phrase 2 is step by step.
Step by step. This means doing things slowly in small, easy parts.
Spot on. You cannot rush the learning process. Phrase 3 is keep it up.
Keep it up. This means I should not stop doing the good work.
Stick around until the end. Leo will share his worst cooking disaster today. He tried to bake fresh bread at home. He almost burned down his kitchen.
Please don't remind me. My kitchen was completely covered in white flour.
It is a hilarious story, but first, let's look at a common quitting mistake. Time for our awkward theater. Let's hear how Leo tried to quit the gym.
I went to the gym desk last week. I wanted to cancel my card.
Show us exactly what happened. I will be the very scary gym manager.
Hello, I want to cancel my card. I very like it, but I quit.
Oh no, Leo. Saying I very like it is a classic mistake.
How to say it? I wanted to be polite to the angry gym manager.
Wait, the phrase how to say it is wrong too. Ask, how do you say it?
Right. Then the manager asked me why. I panicked and said, my English is poor.
You used your English as an excuse? That is a terrible quitting strategy.
He looked very confused. I just dropped my card and ran away quickly.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. We will teach you the right way.
Thank goodness. I want to be brave and keep my promises next time.
All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes.
I am ready. No more running away. I want to face my challenges bravely.
Our first scene is about starting something scary. You are sitting in a cafe.
I am drinking hot coffee. I am holding a very thick English novel.
There are 500 pages inside this book. The text is very small.
You feel the heavy paper. You see thousands of tiny black words.
You look at your friend across the table. You feel completely terrified.
I tell my friend, this book is way too hard for me.
Your friend smiles warmly at you. She says, just give it a try today.
Stop right there. Notice how my friend used our first key phrase today. She said, give it a try. Is that a good way to encourage someone?
Yes, it is very friendly and supportive. You remove the pressure to be perfect.
Got it. So I just say, give it a try. There is no heavy pressure.
Exactly. You do not have to finish the book. Just read the first page.
That feels much better. Starting is always the hardest part for me every time.
Wait, there is a hidden trap here. Most people fail this next situation. Let's see what happens when the task suddenly becomes very difficult and boring.
I am sitting at my desk. I am reading the first chapter slowly.
You find 20 new words on the first page alone. The room is hot.
You hear the clock ticking loudly. Your head starts to hurt very badly.
You want to check your phone. You want to sleep on your bed.
I close the heavy book loudly. I shout, "I cannot do this anymore."
Your friend points at the closed book. She says, "Calm down. Take it step by step."
Perfect use of the phrase. Taking it step by step makes huge tasks manageable. Oh, like, I should only read one short paragraph every single day.
Exactly. Do not focus on the whole mountain. Just focus on the next rock.
I love that advice. Learning English step by step feels totally possible for me.
It is the only way to learn. Consistency is much better than speed.
I agree completely, but sometimes I just want to watch funny videos instead.
Hold on. The next phrase is a secret weapon native speakers use all the time. It is exactly what you need when your motivation completely disappears on Friday.
I love Fridays. I usually throw my books under my bed on Friday nights.
Let's imagine it has been one full month. You are reading your book slowly.
I finished 3 whole chapters, but today I am very tired and lazy.
It is raining outside. The sofa looks very soft and comfortable. You want television.
I look at my friend. I say, "I am taking a long break today."
Your friend shakes her head firmly. She points at your beautiful bookmark. She says, "No, look at your progress. You are doing great. Keep it up."
Excellent. Keep it up is the best phrase to push someone across the finish line. So you mean, do not stop now because you are making excellent progress.
Yes, it reminds people that their hard work is actually producing real results.
That is so encouraging. Hearing "keep it up" always gives me fresh, new energy.
It is a beautiful phrase. We want to say keep it up to our listeners.
You have all worked so hard this season. We are incredibly proud of you.
Speaking of hard work, remember the funny story I mentioned earlier in the show?
Oh no, you mean the terrible bread disaster? Do I really have to tell it?
Yes, you do. Tell our listeners how you completely ruined your beautiful kitchen.
Fine. Last month, I watched a very cool cooking video on the internet.
The chef made perfect French bread, right? It looked very easy and fun.
Yes, I bought flour, butter, and yeast. I wanted to be a master baker.
Baking bread is a science. Did you go step by step with the recipe?
Not at all. I am very impatient. I threw everything into a huge bowl.
What did you do wrong? Did you forget to add the warm water?
I added 10 eggs and 3 cups of white sugar. I mixed it quickly.
10 eggs? That is a crazy cake recipe, not a bread recipe.
I know. The dough was incredibly sticky. It looked like thick yellow soup.
But you put the wet mixture into the hot oven anyway, didn't you?
Yes. After 20 minutes, it exploded loudly. It sounded exactly like a bomb.
Oh my goodness. Thick black smoke filled the whole apartment, right?
Yes, the fire alarm rang. Did I give it a try again the next day?
I really hope not. Did you keep it up and become a better baker?
No way. I completely gave up. Now I only buy bread from the supermarket.
We are at the end of season 1. We are so grateful for you.
Yes, you guys are the absolute best listeners in the whole wide world.
Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right this time.
I am back at the gym desk. The scary manager is looking at me.
Hello there. Are you ready to cancel your expensive gym card today?
No, I decided to give it a try. I will not quit this year.
That is wonderful news. How will you achieve your fitness goals this time?
I will exercise step by step. I will start with 10 minutes today.
Perfect strategy. If you keep it up, you will be very strong soon.
Thank you. I will keep it up and never run away again.
Much better, Leo. You sounded incredibly confident and very brave this time.
It feels great. I am ready to learn English and lift heavy weights.
Perfect. Let's do a quick recap. I will say the phrase, you make a sentence. Phrase number 1 is, give it a try.
Learning a new language is hard, but you should give it a try.
Good. Phrase number 2 is, step by step.
If you study step by step, you will reach your big goals easily.
Excellent. Phrase number 3 is, keep it up.
Your English is getting better every day, so please keep it up.
Great job, Leo. Now it is time for our wonderful listeners to practice their skills. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every single one.
Tell us about your goals. What new thing will you give a try?
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for a wonderful season. Keep it up.